Hi guys, this is Drew Travel. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another official music video of Horizon with their new song entitled Birthday. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So guys, excited na ako kasi ito yung new music video nila. So, wow. Iba na talaga ang Horizon. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my Horizon reaction video, just check on my channel. So, nirelease nila tong music video yesterday. So, here I am. I'm going to make my reaction because I'm really excited for this group. Iba kasi guys, yung nasubaybayan mo yung from the very beginning ba sa ilang journey. Kaya full support. So check natin. Ooh, birthday. May mga emojis. Wow. Sino to? Skyler? Gwapong-gwapo talaga si Skyler, oh. Oh, Jeremy. Oh. Wow, Winston. They're shooting on the MLD buildings, ah. Oh, Marcus. Ang cool. Wow, Reister. Oh, Vinci. Oh, Kim. Woo, ang cute. Ganda ng songs nila. Ooh, vocals. Ooh. Grabe ng moves nila, oh. Gumaling na to siya lalo, eh. Racer, oh. Ganda ng boses ni Vinci. Wow guys, ang ganda ng music video nila. Parang it looks so expensive. Parang well budgeted talaga yung mga music video ng Horizon this time. Ganda lang ng ano nila guys, yung beat ng song. Parang ano talaga ba, yung pop na pop talaga at saka catchy na catchy. Yung parang ano ba yung tinatawag nila na yung parang palagi mo maalala yung it's your birthday. Ang galing lang nila, yung vocally talagang nag-i-improve sila, lalo na sa dancing skills nila. Tingnan mo naman how they dance the song, even their live performance also. If you haven't seen any of their live performance, kasi last month when nag-debut sila, ang dami nilang guesting sa mga yung mga South Korean na shows. So makikita mo talaga yung improvements nila, ang laki-laki talaga. So, ang ganda lang ng ano, yung kanta na to ba, parang enjoy na enjoy nila, makikita mo talaga yung mga facial expressions nila, ang galing, yung mga projection nila in front of the camera, parang, wow, parang veteranano, parang veterans na come to think na bago pa lang to sila, parang pro na yung dating nila. So which is really good. So support natin yung Horizon kasi nga Filipino pride to sila. Proceed natin. Gusto ko rin yung ano nila guys, yung ano nila, site location nila, yung video location nila, ang cool. Sa ano to? Yung rooftop ng ano, MLD? Ay, MLD ba yung anong MDL? MLD? Ang daming ano nila, no? Site location, wardrobe change. Iba talaga to si Kyler, oh. Lalo na itong nakaputi siya na Tinanggal yung jacket niya. Ow! Ooh! Meron din sa ano, sa barko. Grabe yung location nila. Ang cool ng ano, pulo ni Kyler, oh. Heartthrob na heartthrob ang dating. Pati to si ano ay Winston. Wow. Ganda. Happy lang, happy lang yung ano nila. Cool na cool vibes lang yung music video nila. Wow. Ganda pakinggan, ang ganda nila panoorin, lalong nag-i-improve sila. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the official music video of Horizon with their new song entitled Birthday. So, I hope you like and enjoy this reaction. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now. Hello, anchors!
Let's